This stuff has been on the rim since pretty much day one. Some companies will put a protective film over top of the rims so when they're being transported they don't get dinged up. On some of these wheels the adhesive stuck to the rim and it's been almost 15,000 miles. I still haven't taken the time to remove that. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Start out with some wheel cleaner. Alright, and the company So Clean So Fast was kind enough to send us this brush, which attaches to a power drill. I'm going to spray some stuff in here and give this a try. Now this is the softest brush out of the kit, so if this doesn't take this off, I have a step up I can go. Looks good. There's a few spots I missed. There's a spot right here. There's some plastic left over, it's blue. I'm gonna spray some more of this on, let it soak for longer, and that should take care of the last of this stuff. This process will definitely knock out brake dust on your first go, but adhesive is a little trickier. We'll come back to that. I'm gonna head over to the other side and clean that up. Here's a close-up of that piece of adhesive that's still there. I like to just scrape that off with the plastic razor blade. Now the plastic razor blade is too soft to scratch up this wheel. Alright, it's gone. We can go back to cleaning that like normal and we'll be all set. Everything that I use to make these wheels look like they're supposed to will be linked to in the description below, so you can make your wheels look this good too.